Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole and I share lots of delicious home style recipes, and I am also a twin mum and I share all of my twin mum adventures if you are new here, and if you are coming back, welcome. We have a delicious recipe for you today. We're going to be making Vegemite and Vegetable Savoury Muffins. These muffins are packed full of goodness. They are super delicious, light, fluffy, and they are the perfect snack for on the go, breakfast, lunch, and also great for lunch boxes. So let's get to it. Did I mention that these muffins have Vegemite in them? I really feel like the Vegemite is this muffin's secret little weapon. If you are living overseas, you can have Promite, Marmite, and you know what? If you're not a Vegemite fan, Promite, Marmite fan, you can leave it out as well. So let me take you through the ingredients. I have some tasty cheddar cheese here that is grated. I have some full fat plain Greek yogurt. I have some olive oil in here, some full cream milk, some vegetables. So I have some grated carrot, zucchini, and some frozen peas, which I brought out earlier. I've got some self-raising flour, a couple of eggs, and some Vegemite. And for the full recipe, to download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com, and I will also leave all of the ingredients and quantities in the description box for you. Okay, so things to do and things you will need. Go ahead, preheat your oven, moderate temperature, 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're also gonna need a big mixing bowl. I've just got a wooden spoon here, a whisk, and I have also got some muffin tins, a muffin tin here, which I have lined with some muffin papers, and I've just given them a really light coating with oil. First things first, we are going to grab our wet ingredients, put them in the bowl here and give them a whisk. So I'm going to go in with my olive oil, milk, the eggs, and my Greek yogurt. At this point, I'm also going to add in the Vegemite, and then we're going to whisk it all together. Now we're going to just throw in our cheese and the vegetables. So earlier I gave these a squeeze as well, just to get rid of the excess juice. And now just give this another mix with a wooden spoon. Last but not least, we're going to fold in the flour. When we are folding in the flour, we are just going to fold it until it is just combined, and that will help keep our muffins really nice, light and fluffy. Now I'm just gonna start scooping these in, and I'm using an ice cream scoop here. You can just use normal spoons if you like, and just try and do it as evenly as possible. I like to use the ice cream scoop though, because you know it's gonna be quite even. And so I'm just gonna do one scoop per muffin holder, and then I'm gonna go back and top it up. Once you have got all of your mixture into the muffin tins here, they can go into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, all ready for the oven. I've gone with 9 bigger ones. If you want to go for some small to medium sized muffin, then this recipe would make 12. Baker's tip, don't forget to check and rotate at halfway, so 10 minutes. Guys, say hello. Hello, wave hello. My twins have woken up from their nap and they have decided to join the party. They smelled that the muffins were ready. So I've taken mine out of the oven after 25 minutes. Just check yours. If you need to add a little bit longer, go for it, as long as they are nicely cooked on the inside. So I've just let them cool for about 5 minutes now, and I'm really excited to try one. It's lunchtime, so let's get into it. Now, if you wanted, you could also add a little bit of butter or relish to these muffins, but they're also going to be delicious as is. Now, you can't always have the really naughty muffins, the ones with sugar and chocolate chips. I mean, I know that they're delicious, but sometimes you need to have the healthier ones as well. My zucchini slice recipes are definitely the most popular, so I wanted to do something a little bit similar, but also different. So this is kind of like a zucchini slice in a muffin, but we've just got a few other extra ingredients like the Vegemite and the peas. They smell really, really good. Really, really good. And it's lunchtime. One for me. All right, I'm pretty excited about this. That is good. It's so delicious, super fluffy in the middle, and then there's like the melted cheese going all of the way through it. It's so yummy. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope that you and your family love this recipe and you get to eat them and enjoy them sometime soon. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next time. Say bye. Bye.